Have you ever tried to create a simple project but got stuck halfway just because every tool is in a different place? You write text somewhere, you create images somewhere else. You open another tab for PowerPoint, another one for documents, one for spreadsheets, and another one just for video. And in the end, you get lost between all these files and tabs. The truth is, chat-based AI tools have made a lot of things easier, but there's still one big problem. None of them give you a complete environment. You can't create high-quality text, build a professional decorated slide deck, have a polished document with good images, and manage all of this inside a single workspace. That's why we're forced to spread our work across multiple tools, and often we have to manually handle a big part of the process ourselves. But today, I want to show you something that solves this problem forever. A tool that does all these things, and even more, inside one unified environment. It's called Skywork, a multimodal AI workspace that creates everything you need in one place. Text, slides, websites, images, videos, music, spreadsheets, and data analysis. Everything. Today I'm going to build a complete project entirely inside Skywork, without using any other tool. Let's go. First, I open Skywork and choose New Project from the homepage. There's an AI agent at the top that's always ready. I tell it, create a full mini digital brand called Uvibe. I want a brand story, a landing page, a slide deck, an intro video, a social media poster, and an Excel-style data sheet. What Skywork does here is incredible. It understands the entire project at once, organizes it, and starts building everything step by step. Then we enter the general section, the place where Skywork acts like an all-in-one assistant right beside you. I wrote just one sentence about the project, and here I can see the tool has generated everything I need to start. From the brand introduction to product explanation, value proposition, key points, and even a basic outline that tells me how the slides and next pieces of content should look. This section is basically the 0 point of the project. Skywork builds a complete mental model of the project in general, organizes the information, and delivers a solid backbone that the other sections, like documents, slides, website, and even audio, are built upon. Simply put, general is where Skywork understands what your project is about, and all the next outputs are intelligently created based on that understanding. Now I click on Documents, and I write a text about, for example, my research. How did dinosaurs go extinct? Skywork automatically turns all the text into a clean, ready-to-use document. Here I can edit paragraphs, add images, highlight, and even export a full PDF without needing to open Google Docs or Word. From now on, even for writing your proposals, you won't have to waste time yourself. Unlike most tools, it does it all for you. Let's move to the next section. Now it's time to make slides. I go to Slides. Here, you just write a sentence about your presentation, and Skywork automatically chooses a clean template, separates the content, and builds slide by slide for you. I can change the theme, generate new images, or even pick ready-to-use visuals from the internal gallery. The best part is that everything is actually well designed here, not like those tools that fill slides with random text. Let's move to the next section. This is one of the best parts of Skywork, and business owners are going to love it. I click on Website, and based on the Uvibe brand we created earlier, the tool generates a complete landing page automatically. Sections, images, buttons, text, CTAS, everything is created for you. I can change styles, generate new images, or edit every section's content. The fact that you can build a whole website with just one click is insane. It's time to work smart and design a landing page in seconds. Let's move to the next section. For the analysis part, I go to Sheets. Skywork automatically creates a data sheet for Uvibe. Prices, costs, projected revenue, a 6-month strategy. Here I can tell the AI to create charts, analyze the information, or even build a full financial model. This is basically Google Sheets plus a professional data analyst. Now I enter the audio section. Here, Skywork can generate voiceovers or narrated audio versions of the text we created. I can choose the narrator's voice, adjust pacing, or add simple audio effects. It's a great way to turn written content into audio formats for learning or sharing. Let's move to the next section. Now we move to Uvibe. the agent inside Skywork that helps you turn any YouTube link into structured content. All you have to do is paste a YouTube link and add your requirements. Uvibe can instantly generate documents, slides, mind maps, summaries, and other files, all based on the video you provided, with one-click editing of highlight moments. And in Gallery, everything I created, slides, documents, sheets, websites, posters, is stored in Knowledge Place so I can download and manage everything easily. This means a complete project without even a second of chaos. This is a full project built entirely inside Skywork. I've put the link in the description for you. Definitely try it out and don't miss the giveaways in our videos. And, well, this is AI Border, and I create videos almost every day so you can stay up to date. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, bye-bye.